Hello, my name is Kirill Ermenko. I'm a data scientist with over 6 years of experience and a data science coach with over 50,000 students worldwide. And today, I'd like to welcome you into the Machine Learning A to Z course brought to you by Super Data Science. So, what is this course all about? Well, machine learning is very broad, and becoming an expert in this field can be very challenging due to the lack of a clear pathway in all of the materials you can find online. And that is why I have partnered up with machine learning expert Hadelin de Ponteves. He's ex-Google and he has a master's in machine learning. And together we have brought you this course on machine learning A to Z. And in this course you can truly study everything about this field. We'll talk about things like regression, classification, clustering, association rule learning, reinforcement learning, natural language processing, and deep learning. And moreover, for every one of those branches of machine learning, we'll look at between 2 and 7 different algorithms. And for every one of the algorithms, we'll show you how to create it and code it in R and in Python. And not only will we show you how to code it, but also we'll give you takeaway templates which you can download and keep both in R and in Python. So overall in this course you will learn the theory behind all of these algorithms, and also you will learn how to create them in 2 different programming languages. So you can structure your own course. You can either take it in R or in Python, or you can take it in both programming languages and truly boost your machine learning skills. I hope this sounds very exciting to you because we've put in a lot of effort into this course. Our goal is to bring the world the best and the most powerful machine learning course that will be referenced by everyone. So we're constantly adding new materials and updating this course. And we can't wait to see you inside the class. This is your opportunity to jump on board and truly master machine learning. And we look forward to seeing you inside. Until then, enjoy machine learning.